Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the weekly Forex forecasting. We came back again to analyze for you the weekly Forex opportunities. Also, we're going to enter in them. So, if it's the first time of you here, you watching me now, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading and investing. We put every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin and every week 1 video analyzing for you the Forex market. So like that, you're going to be informed about the trading in general. So, as every weekend, my friend, before we even start here, we're going to my browser to show you the coming news. So, let's go into my browser to show you the coming news this week, guys. So, as you see, guys, the week is going to start here in 20th of September, Tuesday, because Monday there is a smaller news, not bigger news. So that way also we don't put it here. And what we got in Monday, by the way, before we go into analyze for you, all the time here is it with GMT time, guys. So make a close eye at those things. So at 1:30 after midnight in Tuesday, we got the one of the Aussie, the meeting of the Central Bank of Australia. At 12:30 afternoon, we got Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index or CPI of Canada. So make a close eye at that one. And Wednesday, 21 of September, guys, what we got at 6 o'clock afternoon. I'm talking here about GMT time. Then you make a change it with your local time. We got the Fed interest rate, guys. And here, for the people they follow me in the Bitcoin, what me I told them all the world now it's waiting what the Fed is going to say if they is going to increase interest rate by 0.75 or 100%. If it's increased by 0.75, it's going to be 3.25. If it's increased by 100%, it's going to become 3.5, guys. If it's increased by 3.5, it's very, 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 very bad, guys. The DXY or US dollar index is going to spike very, very, very high. But if it's increased by 3.25 or 0.75, the DXY is going to fall down. Remember my word, guys. So, in Wednesday, 21 of September is a very, very, very hot day, guys. And at 6:30, the Fed, Jerome Powell, is going to come and talk. So, make a close eye at him, what he's going to say. He's going to increase rate. The Fed is going to increase rate, is going to increase it. But also we are going to see if it's going to increase by 0.75 or 100%. Everything is too clear, guys? So, in Thursday, 22 of September, what we got? We got at 3 o'clock after midnight, Bank of Japan interest rate. So make a close eye at that one. Then we got Swiss franc interest rate because that's the first week or every time it happened, the interest rate, guys. And at 11 o'clock, we got Bank of England, the interest rate, as you see it. And we got the monetary policy, same time. So make a close eye at those things. In Friday, what we got at 7:30, that SP 500 global or PMI. So make a close eye at that. At 8 o'clock, the PMI of the Eurozone. Then at 8:30, the PMI of UK. Then at 12:30, retail sales of Canada. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Here, let's go back now to our broker to show you more. What is it there? Here we are, guys, in our broker. And that one is the DXY or US dollar index or DXY market watch. That one what we said last week. We used to be here, if you remember. What did I told you? I told you it's going to fall down till here, till that zone here. Then after that, it's going to go higher. That's what it did exactly, guys. Look, that blue one, where we used to be. That one here, I'm talking about. Now where we are here. My view to it, from here is going to fall down till here. But everything about the interest rate decision, or is going to do in Monday to come down till that zone here. Then when it's going to come, the interest rate is going to hike. Because depending about the interest rate, as I told you when we are in the news. I think everything is too clear, guys. Levels we got. First level here, 110.773. Another level here, 109.924. That one here, 108.730. That one here, 107.708, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. And here, look where we used to be last week here. I told it's going to fall down to touch here. Then after that, it's going to go up. That's what it did exactly, guys. What it touched here, if you remember, us we used to have here the divergence line like that. If you remember, and you've been someone with us for some time. Now when it touched that one, my view to it, guys, from here is going to fall down till here, till the oversold area. Then we're going to see what is going to give us here. Maybe it's going to give us a divergence or something. Then I'm going to update you next week, guys. So if you are not yet subscriber in our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel. As every week we update you guys. And if you are a Bitcoin trader, every day. So like that, you're going to be informed every day, guys. So make sure to subscribe and smash the like. So that's it for US dollar index market watch analysis, guys. Let's go in now to the other pair. The other pair we got, guys, it's the Euro USD. That one last week we used to be here. I told it's going to go from here till here, and that's what it did exactly like US dollar. The same thing. It fell down here. Now my view to it from here is going to go back upward again. It will touch in that level here. Then we will go to wait in where the interest rate is going to come, what is going to do to the market. Because as I tell it to you and I repeat it every time, if interest rate they increase it by 0.75 US dollar is going to fall down and the Euro USD is going to go higher. If they increase it by 100%, the Euro is going to fall down and US dollar is going to go higher. Everything is too clear, guys? Levels we got, my friend. First level here 1.0 to 476, another level here 1.01 to 140, another level here 1.0018, and the last one 0.98888, guys. Everything is too clear? So let me show you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see here in our indicator, as we used to be here, I told you it's going to fall down. It fell down till that zone here, and I tell it to you last week. I told you got a very stronger support here, and that's what it did. So as I told you guys, now my view to it from here is going to go upward till the overbought area again, because it doesn't give us no divergence, no nothing here. And after that, it's going to drop again, guys. Everything is too clear here? So that's it for the Euro USD. The other pair we got is the cable or British Pound USD. That one last week we used to be here. I told you from here is going to go higher till here. He went till here, then he fell down. Look what it touched for us. It touched for us that trend line here, as you see it, guys, here, or that lower of that channel as we got here. Then now it's showing here a reverse. Yeah, my view to it from here is going to go higher till here, and I'm going to show you to tell you why when we came to our indicator, guys. So levels we got, first level here 1.19 614, another level here 1.17 773, another level here 1.16 019, another level here 1.14 866, and that one here 1.13 835, guys. Everything is too clear? So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the RSI, everything is very, very, very clear. We used to be here. I told you from here it's going to fall down, but look what it did. It go up till here, then he fall down till here. By the way, that one, we put it also last week, not this week. Before all those things here happening. All that one happening. He came, he touched for us the lower here, as you see it here. Now, why me I told you it's going to go higher? Look with me here. Look with me here. What you seeing, guys? Is a very, very, very stronger divergence, guys. Now my view to it from here is going to go higher till here. That's my view to it. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for the cable or British Pound USD. The other pair we got is the Aussie, guys. That one, last week we used to be here. Me, I told you from here is going to go up, but it doesn't. It fall down. So that one is an error from us, guys. So us, we accepting all the errors because us, we don't see that channel or that trend line us we have here, as you see it. When it touches every time it fall down, and even here like a channel, as you see it. So it's a down channel. But now here it touched for us the lower of that weekly channel as we have. Me, my view personally, I think it's going to go higher till here. Then it will touching for you the upper of that channel again. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, guys. Because everything about the interest rate of US dollar, what they are going to do, or the Fed interest rate, everything is too clear. Levels we got, guys. First level here 0.7078, another level here 0.69 129, another level here 0.68 563, that one here 0.67 779, And that one here 0.67032 guys. Everything is too clear guys. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see guys, was it done here? That's where we used to be last week. Last week me I told it's going to fall down. It fell down here. Then after that he went up till here. As you see it, when it touch here the overbought here, he fell down till here, and here what it give you here. Look with me here, like that, and like that here in the chart. That's a divergence, guys. That's why me I told you it's going to go higher till the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. If you don't understand something, just write it in a comment, and also we will reply you. And if you understand everything, write for us a comment to help us growing up more that channel, guys. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, guys. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen. That one, everything went fine. Last week we used to be here. I told it's going to make a correction here. Because also we used to have here a trend line like that. Now, my view to it now is going to make a correction to touch for us the trend line again. Then after that, it's going to go higher, guys. And that one, my advice to you, don't enter in it. That's my advice. Why? Because there is the interest rate of Japan and the interest rate of USA. Both of them, they are interest rate that week. So make a close eye at those things. If you are a conservative trader, don't enter. Waiting till next week maybe or something. Because till now, interest rate, both of them, they are coming. So make a close eye at those things, guys. Levels we got, first level here, 144.752. That one here, 141.891. That one here, 140.487, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, last week we used to be here. I told you me is going to fall down till here. It doesn't fall. From here, actually, it went up. He make for you like a small trend line like that. But me, personally, I think it's going to go up. Maybe it's going to fall down here to touch the oversold area here. Or without to fall down from that level where it is now, is going to go higher till the overbought. I'm going to give you here a divergence. Then after that, it's going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You understand everything, my friend? If you done it, smash the like button, help us. The other pair we got, guys, it's the gold, guys. The gold, as you see it, last week we used to be here. I told it it's going to fall down here. He make the correction here, then he went up till here. As you see it. Then he fell down till down. He touched for us that lower of that trend line as we used to have here. From here we move up. Now what it's showing here? It's showing a rejection, guys. A view to it from here is going to go back upward till here. Or another thing, as you see it, look with me very, very, very careful here. What you seeing, guys? Maybe from here is going to go only till that level here. Then after that it's going to drop again because inflation is too high and there is nothing. Now the world we live in, there is no safe haven. Everything is falling, guys. Only the bonds that another story. Those ones, they going higher. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, guys. First level here 1733.34. Another level here 1706.76. And that one here 1684.42. And that one here 1655.56, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Last week we used to be here. I told you from here it's going to make a correction, then it go up, but it doesn't. It fall down till here. And now here what it given us, if you see, guys, look with me here. And that one I haven't make any analysis for it this week, sorry. This week, what we have here, look, you got here another divergence, guys. And it touch for you here. That's why I'm thinking from here it's going to go higher. There it will touch in the trend line as we draw in here. Then we're going to see if it's going to stay in it or to break it or to go back down again. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for the gold. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound, Japanese Yen. That one last week we used to be here. I told it's going to fall down. It fell down till here, till where we are. As you see it, guys. And if you remember, also we used to have here the trend line as you see it. The view to it is going to fall down to touch the trend line here, or it will not. Maybe from that level it will going up. So make a close eye at those things. The Dragon, guys, or British Pound, Japanese Yen is going to go higher, guys, because British Pound is coming in at the interest rate that week, and even the British Pound, guys. So make a close eye at those things. Levels we got, first level here 166.233, another level here 164.679, That one here 162.987 and that one here 161.870 guys. Everything is too clear guys. If you understand everything my friends, smash the like button, help us to growing up more that channel. If you done it, thank you very much my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see last week we used to be here. Me I told you it's going to go higher. It went only till here. Then look till where it went, till down here it touched for us that weekly one, because that one is in weekly chart. As you see that green one, a view to it now from here is going to go higher guys, maybe without any correction, or maybe it's going to give you here a small divergence or something, then after that it's going to go higher, because me I know it when it touch that green one, always there is a big reverse, as you see it guys. Every time he touch it, a big reverse happening here, all those times. So now when it touch it, I think there is a big reverse coming guys. I think everything is too clear guys. So that's it for our weekly forex forecasting guys. See you in the Bitcoin price prediction guys. Bye for now guys.